Okay, good morning, students. Today we're going to cover something about what happens when there is an outlier in a data set and how it affects the mean and the median. Okay, let's start with an example that is super easy. Okay, let's say that we have this line, and in this line, we're going to represent a student. Okay, so let's say that the first student is 6 years old. Okay, this is kind of big. Hold on. Right, the first student is 6 years old. Then I have another which is 7. Another is 7. Two more are 8 years old. And we have one that is 9 years old. And then we have so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have another which is 16 years old. Okay, so as you can see, this is something that is super uh, above of what is the mean of the first numbers, right? So since this number is not alike to the first numbers, we call this number outlier. Okay, so just to okay, so we have these values right here. Okay, and we have this value right here. All right, so what happens if I keep the 16 and what happens if I remove the 16? Okay, so you're gonna tell me. Okay, so in the first place, as you can see, all data is organized. So we can start right away with the median. Okay, if we count the numbers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, which means that we have one number in the middle that is 8. Okay, so we have one number in the middle that is 8. Okay, and what about the mean? Okay, so far for the mean, uh, what do we have? Okay, so we have 6 plus 7. Hold on, let me move this. 6 plus 7 is 13, plus 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 8 plus 9 is 17, plus 16. Okay, just remember that we have so far seven values in our data set. So we have a median of 8 point, I mean, a mean 8.7. Okay, 8.7. This is our mean. All right, so just to double check is 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 16, and we divide everything by 7, and yeah, we have 8.7. Right, what happens if I take the same stuff right here? I will copy this and I will remove the outlier, that is the 16, is the number that is not it doesn't sound very logical to have a student that is 16 years old among the students whose range is from 6 to 9, right? So what we can do, okay, once that the outlier is removed, what is the value for the median? Okay, now we have two values. As you can see, we have two values in the middle, which is 7 plus 8. As you know, 7 plus 8 is 15, and when I divide these two, those the average of these two values is actually the median. Okay, so you know that the average of these two values in the middle is just 7.5. Right, so the median is 7.5. Right, and what about the mean? The mean, okay, let's find the value for the mean. And for the mean, I have